Symmetry of virus. Symmetry of virus based on the arrangement of capsomers in capsid. Symmetry of virus is based on arrangement of capsomers in capsid. The protein code of virus is called capsid and the units are called capsomers. So the symmetry is based on the arrangement of capsomers in capsid. Based on the symmetry, the viruses, they show three types of symmetry. Spiral symmetry. Cubical symmetry. Binal symmetry. Spiral symmetry. Cubical symmetry. Binal symmetry. Spiral symmetry. In this, capsomers arrange like a spiral staircases. Around the core, capsomers arrange like spiral cases. Example to spiral symmetry, tobacco mosaic virus, rhabdovirus or rabies, that cause rabies. Tobacco mosaic virus, rhabdovirus. Cubical symmetry. In this, the body is polyhedral, many faces. Many faces. Each face is triangular. Each face is triangular in shape called icosahedron. In this, capsomers arrange. Say polyhedral symmetry, also called cubical symmetry. In this, the part is shows many faces. Each face is a equilateral triangular in shape. And consider 20 faces called icosahedron. Icosahedron. In that, capsomers arrange. In case of the longitudinal section of that head region or that polyhedral, it looks like hexagonal shape. It looks like hexagonal shape. Now, example. Adenovirus, poliovirus. If these two, cubical symmetry and spiral symmetry present, that is called binal symmetry. Binal symmetry. If these two, both spiral and cubical symmetry observed, that is called binal symmetry. Observed in bacteriophages. Bacteriophages. In this head region shows cubical symmetry. Tail region shows spiral symmetry. Example, bacteriophages. Such type of viruses which show both cubical symmetry and spiral symmetry or binal symmetry, they are called complex viruses. Complex virus, virus that show both cubical symmetry and spiral symmetry, called complex viruses. Example to that one, bacteriophages. So, symmetry is based on the arrangement of capsomers in capsid. But that symmetry is absent in virus. Not show any symmetry is viroids. Viroids, these are the virus without protein code, consider only nucleic acid. So, symmetry absent in viroids.